In today's video, I will show you how to see matches on Tinder. Tinder revolutionized the modern dating world when it introduced the double opt-in system back in 2012, which basically means you can only talk to someone if you both mutually swipe right on each other. To find where all these successful connections live, open the app and tap the speech bubble icon on the bottom menu bar, though keep in mind it might appear in the top right corner on certain devices. Once you open that up, you will find your match queue sitting at the very top of your screen with all your active conversations listed neatly below it. Now, if you want to get a sneak peek at who has already liked your profile before you even make a choice, there are two main ways to go about it. First, you can find them manually through swiping. As you naturally go through your daily deck, the algorithm will occasionally slip in the profiles of people who already swiped right on you, meaning the second you swipe right on them, a match will instantly pop up on your screen. The second way is by utilizing premium tiers like Tinder Gold or Platinum. If you have one of these upgrades, you can bypass the guessing game completely and view a dedicated grid of everyone who has liked your profile by simply tapping the gold star or diamond icon located on the bottom menu. And that's it! That's how to see matches on Tinder.